Hi, hello, welcome to Nayan Aptitude. Today in this session, we are going to discuss about continuous pattern series. Before starting the class, let's solve yesterday's problem. Here in this series, we have how many letters? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Total we have 18 letters. We get the combination with 2 by 9 or 3 by 6. Let's check once with 3 by 6. It is easy to find out. 3 blocks with 6 letters. 6 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, first series is A, B, dash, D, dash, A. Next is ABA, dash, NA. ABA, dash, NA. Next, dash, BAD, NA. Dash, BAD, NA. Here this line we have A. So, here we get A. B's. Here we have A's. So, A. This line we have D's. In this line we have N. So, in series we get first is A, next N, next D and last A. So, the answer is ANDA. ANDA. Option A is correct. Here we have one more series. A dash B B C dash A B dash C C A dash B B C C. Options are B A C B, A C B A, A B B A, C A B A. Let's solve this. How many letters are there in this series? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 letters means we get 3 by 6 combination. 3 by 6. Divide this series by 6 letters. So, A dash B B C dash A B dash C C A dash B B C C. This line we have A's and this line we have A's. This line B, this line B, this line C and last line C. So in series what we get? A, C, this line B and last line we have A. So the answer is ACBA. Option B is. Here we took 6 letters with 3 blocks. What will happen if you take 6 blocks with 3 letters? Let's check once. Divided with 3 blocks. 3 blocks. Series is A dash B, B C dash, A B dash C C, A dash B, B C C. Here we have series with alternate letters A B, A B, A B. So here we get B. In this line we have letters with alternate letters with AC. So here we get A C. Next line A C. Here we get A C. In this line we have letters with the combination of B C. So B C, B C, B C. In order we get A C B A. So the answer is ACBA. Option B is correct. If you take 6 letters, we get directly if you take 3 letters, you get alternate letters. Series with alternate letters A, B, A, C, like that. This series we have letters A, B, C, A dash B, C, A, B dash C, A dash B, B, C dash. Options are C, C, A, B, B, A, B, A, C, A, B, B, A. This is different series. Here we can divide this series with C. After C, we should divide. After C, here series is like this: A, B, C, A dash B, C, A, B dash C, A dash B, B, C dash. Here first line is ABC. In second line, A is repeated. In third line, A and B are repeated. In fourth line, A, B, C, 3 are repeated. So the answer is A, this line B, this line AC, A, B, A, C. Option C is correct. Here we have one more series. Letters are A dash AC dash dash AB A dash AD. Options are ABAD, BBDC, BADC, DABC. Let's solve this and answer it in comments. I hope you liked the class. To get more videos, please like and subscribe Nayan Aptitude.